morning, Super Blast here. We're on our start of the day here. It's December 9th. We got a 3-job day ahead of us. It's going to be a good day. First stop's a pool cage. Second job's going to be a 2,500 square foot home with a 3-car driveway, and then we'll finish the day up with a 2-car driveway. So we'll get started here in a little bit, and we'll see you when we get started. All right, here we are, the first job. This neat little compartment we have here. Keep our guns in there. This trailer was very well built, with everything in mind. Whoops. It's not good for a video, is it? That was my bad. Anyway, go back here and check this pool cage out. See if I can upsell this house on the way out after the job. Try to book another appointment. Pool cage is definitely bad, okay? Here we have a bunch of mold. I'm just gonna go ahead and downstream this. I'm gonna use my 31-inch Mondo on this job. So we have some very bad mold up here. Mold up there. This stuff's just going to get melted off of here. So the outside definitely needs it as well. So we'll get started with that. Let's blow some SH. All right. All right, there you have it. Pavers are all nice and clean. Furniture's clean. Another job well done by Super Blast Pressure Washing.